Today we prepare together oven-baked breaded mushrooms, golden and crispy, with aromatic herbs and a touch of parmesan. Ingredients: 500 grams of mushrooms, either champignon or porcini work well. 100 grams of flour. 2 eggs. 200 grams of breadcrumbs. Salt and pepper. Aromatic herbs to taste, such as thyme and rosemary. 50 grams of grated parmesan, optional. Extra virgin olive oil. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Clean the mushrooms by removing any soil residue with a damp cloth or brush. Slice the mushrooms if necessary. Prepare 3 plates, one with flour, one with beaten eggs with salt and pepper, and one with breadcrumbs, aromatic herbs, and parmesan. Dip each mushroom first in the flour, then in the beaten egg, and finally in the seasoned breadcrumbs, pressing lightly. Arrange the mushrooms on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Bake for about 20 minutes, turning the mushrooms halfway through to brown them evenly. Remove from the oven and serve the breaded mushrooms while still hot. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Oven-baked breaded mushrooms are perfect as an appetizer or a light side dish, crispy and full of flavor without using excess oil. Baking enhances the flavor of the mushrooms and makes the breading crispy, keeping the recipe healthy.